Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can transfer data from mobile to laptop wirelessly. So let me open my mobile. So once you are in your mobile, you simply need to search here send anywhere in your Google Play Store, and here you can see send anywhere file transfer. So you simply need to open that, and once you open, so you need to wait, and let's suppose I want to send this picture and click on send. Okay, and now you will receive a code. Okay, you simply need to add that code onto the laptop 754756. So I am on my laptop and I need to search here we transfer or send anywhere. It send anywhere. Let me search. Okay, you need to open this website, and here you can see you need to add the code 754754 756. Okay, and then you need to click here to receive, and you need to wait for few seconds so that you can skip that ad. Okay, and now it is receiving. Here you can see, so click here to see. So this is the picture. Here you can see. So this is a process that you need to follow to transfer data from mobile to laptop wirelessly. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.